Knife crime doesn't just affect individuals, it impacts families, schools, and entire communities. At OpenView Education, we believe that early intervention can make a positive difference in responding to this challenge. Our Positive Choices for Life programme educates students on the dangers of knife crime and empowers them with specific skills to help them to stay safe. Start your day with our interactive assembly. Through character monologues delivered by a professional performer and engaging videos, we introduce the key themes around knife crime. In the assembly, your students will meet Cameron and hear his story. They will then take part in completing a series of challenges, helping Cameron to say no to peer pressure and get the support he needs. Your students will then take part in interactive workshops where they explore the topics in more detail, including the law around knife crime, gang culture, and role-playing strategies for how they can respond if they experience peer pressure. Our Positive Choices for Life knife crime awareness workshops are engaging, interactive, and pitched perfectly to the age of your students. So get in touch via phone or email, and a friendly member of our team will help to find the best options for your school.